On the main menu bar, the second tab along is the HirePOS setup menu. Excluding a few page-specific preferences throughout the application, everything you need to set up and configure HirePOS is in this menu. Customers is a place where you can set up all of the details for each of your customers, including names and contact information, credit limits, customer-specific discounts, images and attachments, and much more. Suppliers works in a similar way to customers, with the ability to update contact and business information in addition to payment and bank details. Items will take you to a hub where you can edit your inventory of hire, sales, and non-stock items. Items Related directs you to a menu of settings that dictate how items are organised, displayed, and utilised in HirePOS. This includes item types and categories. Item packages can be created in this menu, and there are options to perform stock tags and stock adjustments. Delivery Pickup houses some tools to assist with data entry and organisation of the delivery schedule, including the ability to store some predefined locations, create a list of cities and postcodes, and group them together into logical zones. If activated in the Preferences section, Invoice Categories allows you to assign bookings and invoices to specific categories. There are multiple settings pages relating to the setup of your business, including basic business details, the name of your branches, if branches module is enabled, and your staff setup. For accounting and basic bookkeeping purposes, there is a section for you to define your tax codes and set up the accounts that you will be receiving invoice payments into. If the bookkeeping module is enabled, you will also have access to income and expenditure accounts, which are used as a part of the bookkeeping process. Finally, there is the Preferences page, which is the home to the majority of app-wide settings in HirePOS. In here, you can link HirePOS to other apps including accounting packages such as MyOb and Xero, and payment gateways such as NAB Transact and PIN payments. There are options relating to sales and payments, system defaults, custom templates and messages, restrictions and themes. HirePOS users and their permissions can also be modified from this area. For a more in-depth look at some of these setup options, please see the related tutorial or visit the Help Center in the HirePOS app.